Welcome to the Barista Skills Specialty Coffee Association certified course. It's my pleasure to introduce this course to you, give a little overview and expectation of what you're going to encounter and what's included in the course. So, I was a little bit nervous when I first started. I was a coffee roaster, and so taking the barista skills and worrying about milk foaming and latte art, those were common fears for me and my peers when we first took this course. Don't worry. There's no practical skills required in this foundation level course, but all of the activities and exercises will be introduced and demonstrated for you as you continue to learn and build up for intermediate and professional work in the future. But either way, this foundation course, no matter where you're at in the coffee value chain, is just really helpful because it really looks at kind of the end, that final step in the coffee value chain. So from the SCA handbook, here's the course description. Barista Skills Foundation course focuses on the key skills required to set a grinder, make espresso and foam, texture milk for cappuccinos. It's going to allow you to gain an introductory understanding of a lot of the basics of coffee itself. And it sets a foundation from which you can build more practical skills for milk technique and latte art while implementing health and safety practices in customer service. So, all those foundations that go into the bean and the roasting and the blend and the machines, it's just that critical knowledge so that when you are in a customer service and a drink preparation mode, you're not asking yourself questions. You have that solid foundation and you work from it, right? So here's some of the things that we'll explore in this course, and there is an activity pack and exercises that we'll talk about afterward. Differences between Arabica and Robusta beans as they were used traditionally and in espressos. How espressos are blended and prepared for single origins, espresso impacts with roast degree, freshness, and more. Understanding grinders and espresso machines and how to use them. Safety and cleaning of your equipment machines. Some of the benefits from maintenance, establishing espresso recipes and calibrating grinders, dosing, distributing, tamping, kind of that barista routine, the barista dance, espresso definitions and some of the metrics that we use that'll lead into menu creation, milk foaming, steaming techniques, freshness, temperature troubleshooting, alternative milks, espressos, macchiatos, flat whites, lattes, Americanos, kind of building out your espresso menu, understanding some of those traditional recipes, water impacts, creating a great customer service, and finally, with all of the information, there is a mock exam to help you prepare for your actual certified exam with the SCA. So, as you go through this course, you can go ahead and download these digital course resources now. You can come back to them. Barista foam standards from the SCA, coffee tasters flavor wheel, water charts, protocols and procedures, barista drink standards, a worksheet, and all of these can be bookmarked and accessed anytime from the ROC website. So roc.coffee, you'll find foundation, intermediate, and professional modules explained with all of the resource links and PDF downloads included there. Just make sure to give reference as you use those and share those with your team. So if you're ready to level up and kind of take that next step, you can put these course activities together. There are special coffees, maybe it's hard for you to find some of the different blends or Robusta. You can purchase those on my ROC Lab website. I've put together training kits for each of the foundation courses, or do your best to source and put those resources together locally with some of the access that you have online or from artisan roasters, wherever you take this course. Finally, as you get going, I'm so glad that you have the chance now with a referral program that's been built from Teachable. It's brand new on the course website as I'm filming this, where you can refer a friend and give them 20% off their first course purchase using your referral link at How to Coffee Pro. When they purchase their referral, or when they purchase their first course using that referral link, you will gain 20% off your next course at How to Coffee Pro. This is a great way for me to give back and say thank you. This is a great way for you to give to your team and friends and say thank you, let's level up and grow together. Give 20, get 20, and let's dive into the course, keep growing together.